What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. Today I am installing a wig that I got from ISEE Hair. All the information will be in the description box below. So boy, do I have an install for you today. This is the Block Wig by ISEE Hair. And basically what that means is your wig will come in two parts. B for the base of the wig, and then R for the replaceable top of the wig, meaning you can have like a closure or frontal or whatever size you want. These are just the cards that come with the wig to give you instructions on how to build and break apart the wig. But basically this gives you an infinite amount of ways to like style your wig, change out your base. You can change out the closure, but I'm just going to show you really quickly what comes in the box. So right now this first box is block B and it has a part R. So this is block B, which is the base. So as you can see, the base comes with this zipper here, and this zipper is what is going to attach to the top of the wig, the R part, which is the closure. It comes with a comb at the bottom. It has the adjustable straps at the bottom as well, and you can get your base in whatever style, but I have it in 24 inches of straight hair. And they sent me two options for block R. The first one is this 9x6 skin lace closure. So what that means is exactly how it sounds. The closure looks exactly like skin. Check out the close-up on this thing. No more screen door, no more grids, no more knots. This has a super natural look when you part the hair. So I really love the skin lace front closure here. This is just a close-up of what it looks like on the inside and how it's constructed. It does come with this elastic band right here, and then it has the other part at the bottom here, as you can see, that has the zipper on it, and the combs on the sides. That is how you're going to attach it to the base, but I'll show you how to do that a little bit later. Essentially, we're going to be attaching these two pieces to make one whole wig. But really quickly, I want to show you the other block R. This is just another option that you have to attach to the base. Say you want to switch out your look, you can use this 13x6 frontal. It is pre-bleached and pre-plucked, and it also has the zipper attached so that you can attach it to the base, and it is in the straight hair. And I'll show you basically how these work a little bit later, but this is just a close-up of this frontal, and it's super gorgeous. Just a side-by-side comparison of both of the block R options. First, the 9x6 skin lace closure, and then the 13x6 frontal. And then really quickly, I just want to show you what came in the heart box, which was an elastic band, some eyelashes, a wig cap, and then this other elastic band right here. So if you want to see me install this wig, then you got to keep on watching. So jumping right into the video, you're going to attach the wig exactly like a coat or anything with a zipper. You're going to slide the pieces together and pull the zipper. Notice how the zipper pulls very smoothly, very easily to the other side of the wig. It has this string on it to make it easy for you to pull it. And I like that it has a string because you can hide the string, and the string is more comfortable than like a regular solid zipper would be. Next, you're going to clip these two pieces together to keep them from pulling apart, and then there's a little Velcro strap that covers them up, and then you have a seamless zipper on the inside of your wig. And you're going to do this to each side, connect the silver pieces and cover it with the Velcro strap, and then each side is completely covered, and now you have a full wig here with the skin lace closure. And this is just another close-up of the skin lace closure. I really love this because you do not have to worry about that screen door look anymore. You don't have to worry about your wig cap showing. You can literally wear any color wig cap and it will be completely invisible, and you don't have to worry about your knot showing. But next, now I'm going to show you how to take apart the wig and how to separate them. So you're just going to undo the Velcro, unclip the hooks, and then you're just going to do that to each side, and then pull the zipper, and it comes apart super easily just like that. and then you have your two pieces, and now we're ready to reconnect the next piece, which is the 13x6 frontal, and you're going to reconnect it just how you did the other piece. Clip it together just like a zipper. I'm going to now combine the hooks and pull the zipper, and it glides so easily across. The only thing is me trying to do it on camera, but like, and so that you can see it, but if you face it to you, it zips super easily. I just had to do it to make sure you all can see it. But yeah, the zipper, I had no issues with the zipper. It doesn't snag or anything like that. It's really, really well made. And then once you have it zipped all the way, you're going to connect the silver hooks, and you're going to cover it with the Velcro once again to make sure everything is hidden and out of sight. So I just slid on the 13x6 frontal really quickly just so you can get an idea of what it looks like. I'm not going to be installing this as the final look. I'm going to be using the 9x6 skin lace, but I just wanted to show you really quickly the really good quality of this frontal. Like I said, it's pre-plucked and it is pre-bleached, and it is very, very full. Once the wig is connected, you're just going to go ahead and install the wig as you normally would. My hair is already braided in straight back, so I'm just putting some wax. Is this wax? What it's called? Oh, some edge control along my hairline and brushing it straight back just to clean up my edges a little bit. And then I'm going to go ahead and slide on the wig. And I just want to point out how perfect this wig looks on my head without doing nothing to it. This skin lace melt is the truth, okay? Definitely get you one of these. What I'm going to do now is style my baby hairs, because as you can see, my natural edges always tend to stick out further than where like the lace on wigs stop, so I always have to cover it up with just a little bit of baby hairs. I want to do something real natural, nothing too crazy, just enough, like I said, to cover up my natural edges. Now I'm just taking some of this spray and putting it just along my hairline to make sure everything lays super flat and to make sure the front part of the lace blends seamlessly with my skin. And then I'm just going to fan it dry a little bit and wrap my edges. Y'all, I love the texture of this hair so much. This is more of a silky, straight textured wig, and I really love these textures because this is the texture that be blowing in the wind. Like at the slightest gust of wind, you get that like nice flowy and blow. So I just decided to flat iron it. I didn't want to put any curls in it because I just love how it looks straight. Plus it's super thick, so it when you wear it straight, you know, like sometimes when you wear hair straight, it'll look like flat. This is super thick even though it's straight, and it's 180 density. Like this wig has quickly become one of my favorite wigs to wear because I know, look at this bounce in this body and this hair. It is super nice. I love, absolutely love wigs like this. So it's the next day, and I just wanted to show you the finished look in some like better lighting, and it wasn't so freaking dark. But yeah, I absolutely love this wig. The zipper in there, you can't even feel it. It's super thin. You don't even notice that it's there. It's very easy to install, and so the zipper itself is smooth. It's soft, like it's not rough or anything like that. And it's very, very durable for sure. I like the zipper method better than the other methods that I've seen out there. And I definitely absolutely love like the skin lace on here because that just changes the game for closures for me. The skin lace, it's no more screen doors. And that's what everybody is so self-conscious about when wearing like frontals and closures and stuff, is having that screen door look. But with this, you don't have that anymore, so you definitely should check this wig out. All the information for this hair is in the description box below. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. Adios till next time.